Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Library Science database. It can be accessed through our library website, which is library.uncg.edu. Once on the website, you'll just click on Databases. And even though it's called Library Science, it actually appears under P because it's a Proquest database. And when on the P's, you'll need to scroll down almost to the very end. And you will need to sign into this database using your library information because it's a paid subscription that the library pays for. And I am interested in library as place, and I'm interested in full text and peer-reviewed. First, we'll start with a basic search and see what that turns up. That leads us to over 30,000 results, which is a little bit overwhelming, so we're going to go with an advanced search instead. So first we're going to put library as place or third space, which is something kind of in between home and work, like a public park would be considered a third space, or sometimes a public library is as well. Or gathering space. And the or indicates that all of these things don't need to be found, it's just any one of these three phrases. And I would like for it to appear in the abstract, but you can also choose all sorts of different options. Like you can have the author's name, or you can have your search terms appear anywhere in the article. So I'm going to go with abstract. And then the and means that library will also appear in addition to these options. And I would like to have library as one of my main subject headings. And I already have full text and peer-reviewed clicked. And I'm going to go after 2010. Down here you can choose different source types. I'm going to go with scholarly journals as well as books. And I will click articles. A case study of a library might be interesting. And I think that's it besides book chapter. You can also choose multiple different languages. I'm just going to choose English, and we'll see what this gets us. So this gives us 236 results, which is a lot more manageable than over 30,000. Let's see if some of the things are interesting to what we have in mind. So libraries as places of invention. That sounds promising, and you can do a which will show you the abstract, or the also called the summary. So library as a physical place, library as place. That's talking about how libraries have changed over the years and how they're trying to become valid as a place. So that sounds interesting. and then visualizing library as place. So there's a few interesting articles here. We'll preview this one as well. So this one is talking about how library as space can be used in a university and how they can change. So it looks like we have some good articles. I hope you've learned something today, and thanks so much.